It's a happy day, it's a happy night. Welcome to my channel, please subscribe. Ito, nagluto si Edison ng tokwa-ting.
Oh, yan. Kung ayaw mong baboy, kumain ka tokwa.
Oo, gusto ko tokwa. At sila ay magluluto ng waffle ni Marison. Masarap ito. Ayan o. Tokwa-ting. Healthy.
Look!
Yung...
Can you move a little bit? Let's remove the volume first. Later,
Ito,
Marison.
ang dinner, dinalan ko siyang sotanghon. Ayun, kumakain na siyang sotanghon. Gusto niya ng pansit eh.
Ayan, gusto raw ng pancake.
Kayo gusto niya ng pancake.
Ngayon, dahil nasunog yung butter, dapat hindi nilalagyan ng butter si Lola Tess. Tigas ulo. Sabi nung hindi kailangan ng butter. Dahil ito yung teflon.
Oo eh. Ilagay mo na yung mixture mo dyan.
Diyos ko. Napasok pa ako. Oh, look, Marison.
Oh, yan na. Nagluluto silang waffle.
It's magic.
Inosente po kami. Be careful, Marison.
Just
It's
like
hot.
that.
Yeah, and then close it.
And then close.
Close. Let's see.
Let's see kung magtatagumpay.
Ano, magsasandok na ako ng tokwa-ting ko.
Teka, hindi pa ito naman. Pansit para gusto.
Eh,
You want more?
siyempre. Sotanghon light, Marison. You love pansit.
Oh.
Yeah.
Pag ganun yata, babalik ta rin eh.
Oo. Oo. Pero nag-interview sa akin naman papunta kami rito. Gusto na agad akong makita.
Ba't namatay?
Ewan. Ayan, umuusok. Hindi naman patay.
Muusok?
I-on ko na nga lang pag nakita ng successful.
Hindi, successful yan.
Those are Valentines. I brought those for you, Marison. You want more pansit?
No.
You didn't eat the chicken. The pancit is the best, right? Granddad, he want me to cook pancit.
I thought, Marison, if it is turned to green,
It's
it's
cooked.
ready.
It's not ready yet. Baligtarin mo ulit.
Or maybe, let's see. Let's see.
Hindi pa.
Ay,
Hindi
hindi pa. Mi, ikaw talaga, oh. Ha? Diyos ko.
Oh, Margie! Busog na yung pakakainin mo. Yun eh, kumain na siya ng Valentine's cookies.
Valentine cookies. Ikaw, next week ko nabibigyan
Ano?
ng regalo sa Valentine's.
Hindi ko na kailangan ng regalo. Nakikikain lang ako, okay na.
Ba't ganun?
Hindi pa luto, hintay mong maluto.
Susunog na eh.
Ah? Ay, ewan ko. I-on ko siya pag i-off ko muna itong camera. Bakit? Sasandok muna ako ng toknening ko. Ay, ano nga yung niluto mo? Tokwa-ting. Tokwa. Pipiliin ko lang yung tokwa.
Ah, dumikit.
Oh, sabi na eh, ini-sprayan yan eh. Wala kang spray butter nilagay mo. Kaya nasunog at nanikit.
Hindi naman nasunog, pero... Ay! Hilaw pa yung ibabaw. Rotate daw na ganyan.
Oh, i-rotate mo. Sige, sandok muna ako ng tokwa.
Ayan, pagka...
Tokwa.
When the green is
It's off.
up, it's ready.
It's ready. All right. Then Marison can eat waffle. That's for Wowo.
This is for me, first cook, because we never clean this, but from the pabrika.
Ito po, nagsandok ako ng aking tokwa-ting. Tsaka konting kanin. Yung waffle nila. Yung, pakita mo nga. Ayan yung waffle. Ayan. Lalagay siya uli.
Oh my God.
goodness.
Huwag mong babaligtarin hanggang hindi luto. Huwag mong pakapunuin. Ayos na muna yon.
Yan.
Oo.
Yan. Tapos, tatakpan.
Oo, yan. Kaya mo
Huwag
na siya
gagalat.
maluto.
Pag namatay yun, ready na.
Babaligtarin mo
Hey,
na.
Dad, you wanna try?
Waffle.
It's not breakfast.
This
Ganyan,
this
ganyan yan.
this is
Ibapagkain,
only experiment.
ibapagkain nyo sa breakfast, sa
Isn't it
lunch,
yummy?
dinner. Oh, it's yummy, of course.
I
Malutong.
like it. It's crunchy.
Gusto ko rin ng malutong.
Mary, son. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You got waffle in your tummy.
Nawala na yung...
Baligtarin
Ilaw.
mo na. Ayan. Off ko muna to.
3.
Boy,
Open it.
open sesame.
The same thing.
Oh, why is it says ready and it's at, oh,
Wow.
it's beautiful.
This is for Mary's son.
Yay, it's
This is for Mary's
beautiful.
Oh. I put that.
Yeah. Ayan. Masyado marami kang nilalagay kaya ganyan.
Hindi, sakto lang yun.
Hindi masyadong pinupuno yan.
Here.
3/4 lang ang lalagay mo.
Wala kang natitira, oh. Ang ganda. Oh, last one, Mary's son.
Ayos na yan.
Wala na eh. Titira ko pa yung konti. Last waffle.
Yan.
Oh, ha?
Tagumpay.
Tagumpay. Ngayon,
Wala
it's time
syrup.
about to lean. Meron.
Nasaan syrup?
Hindi sa tabi-tabi. Ito ang problema rito. Walang linisan, no? Ganyan lang siya.
Pupunasan mo lang.
Eh, sabi naman ng babae, siya raw may ganito. For many years, hindi niya raw hinugasan. Luto lang siya ng luto.
Siyempre, pupunasan mo din.
Hindi, kaya nga sabi, hindi mo nalalagyan mantika para no mess. Ganda, oh. Ha? Oh, lipit na. Pwede na tayo mag-restaurant. Marisa, oh, ha? Kalahati.
Waffle.
What?
Kukunin na naman niya lahat dyan. Hindi na tayo
Oh my goodness.
makakatikim.
What happened?
Binigay sa'yo, pinag-anuhan niya.
Why?
It disappeared in a blinding flash.
Bigyan ako. Kiss mo po. So what do you think our new machine? It's good? Now it's perfectly cooked, right? Not burned,
Hey,
not raw.
boy.
Okay.
You want much better pizza or this one? This one?
Oh, it's better. Hindi magastos. Thank you. Thank you. You're so very kind to us. Thank you. Nandito
Napakasarap.
po kami kila Edison.
Thank you.
You're so very kind to us.
Ito
Thank
si Kanu natin. Ayaw kumain nito kasi raw hindi daw umagahan ngayon.
Ganon siya.
Hapunan. Eh tayo mga Pilipino kahit anong oras. Nagchachampurado tayo sa gabi. Kahit ano.
Yeah, hindi. Pag breakfast, breakfast. Lunch, lunch. Dinner,
Ang
dinner.
hotdog sa kanya, almusal
I've
din.
eaten 4 times a day.
Hindi,
Snack
dinner
too.
niya.
Snack attack.
You had your hot dog last night for dinner.
Yep, I sure did.
Oh, that's breakfast.
No, it's not.
Oh, yeah?
I beg to differ with you. It's dinner.
Okay, but pancake is
Or
on.
lunch, either way.
Waffle is for morning.
Waffle is for breakfast. Yes.
Oh my goodness, Marison, this is for breakfast.
She could care less.
But it's good.
It's edible. It's
Yeah.
good.
Dal, why not ready going to the Philippines? Why? Only the medical something
I don't.
reason?
I don't. I'm not in good condition, so I don't want to go there.
Ayaw niya. Kasi anytime na kailangan niya magpa-doktor.
It's the middle of winter. Why do I want to travel? No.
Okay.
I don't subscribe to travel.
When are we moving to the Philippines?
Give it time because no one gonna take good care when you both of you is really old and no function
Yeah,
at all.
I know.
Over
We have
there,
to be- we
only
have to be-
$200.
We have to be together. I know.
Yeah.
But-
Over there, husband and wife, couple, they gotta take good care of you.
Yeah.
Only for $200 a month.
You know what? United States, it's not like that at all. You know, we take care of each other a little bit, but the rest of it
No.
belongs to you.
That we're talking about one day, you
Yeah,
both
which
of you, you're not gonna function anymore. You
Right.
can cook, you can clean, you can do
Right.
nothing.
So what are we going
So
to
what
do,
are you
honey?
gonna do?
What are we gonna do?
We need
You
to...
stay here?
Do you want to move into a care facility?
No.
Is that what you want to do?
No.
Oh, God.
What do you prefer?
Go to the Philippines.
Philippines, someone take good care
Right.
of you over there.
Who's
Well,
elected? Who's
only-
elected? Who's taking care of us?
Oh, there's a lot. A lot of people they're looking
I
for
don't
We
know
will,
they are.
we will get
For
some...
200.
Who takes care of
We
us?
will get some from the church, from my subscribers.
Yeah, $200 a month.
Yeah.
Here, how much? Take good care of both of you.
I don't
You're
know.
talking about $1,000 a month or more.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're
Maybe
talking
it.
about
For
$3,000.
Yeah, the cost of living
$45.
is a lot different.
Honey,
over here. That's
$45
true.
an
I know,
hour
I know
here
that.
to take care of old couple.
You know what?
Yeah.
The United States Navy was only getting $3.62
Oh my God.
a day.
No, we're
Oh, sige
talking
na.
about you.
I-off ko na ito.
Okay, thank you.
God bless us all. Madison, bye-bye.